In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Calendar efficiently. Whether you're planning your week, scheduling important meetings, or simply trying to keep your life organized, understanding how to make the most of Google Calendar can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure you're getting the most from this powerful tool. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Calendar. If you have it bookmarked, simply click on your bookmark. If not, you can type in calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your personalized calendar. Once you're in, you should see a familiar interface filled with your scheduled events, meetings, and reminders. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the view options for your calendar. One of the most highly utilized is the week view. To activate this, simply click on the drop-down menu and select Week. This view offers a comprehensive snapshot of your activities from Sunday through Saturday, making it easier to assess what your commitments are and how you can better manage your upcoming tasks and events for the week. Once you've familiarized yourself with the week view, let's transition to a bigger picture format by selecting Year View. To do this, click on the same drop-down menu where you chose Week and select Year from the options. This view will display your entire year's calendar in one screen, allowing you to quickly scan which months are densely packed and which have more availability for new commitments. It's especially useful when planning long-term projects or vacations, as it provides a broad overview of your year at a glance. Navigating between these views is crucial. It empowers you to strategize effectively, ensuring you're not overcommitting any single week, all while keeping sight of your long-term goals and plans. Every click in Google Calendar can help you uncover hidden pockets of time that you can either enjoy for yourself or dedicate towards personal and professional development. Lastly, always remember to take advantage of the various features that Google Calendar offers, such as reminders, color-coding events for better differentiation, and setting repeating events for regular appointments, meetings, or activities. These features, although simple, can transform how you perceive and approach your scheduling tasks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Google Calendar, optimizing your time management, and making your life a bit more organized. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any additional tips or need help with another tech-related tool, feel free to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.